If EI is a sequence of disjoint Lebesgue measurable sets and A is any set, then we need to choose which of these options are correct. A option, B option, both the options, or neither A nor B. What is given to us? EI, the sequence of disjoint Lebesgue measurable sets. These are the disjoint measurable sets. So for any set A, we need to check the options. Alright, so let's write what is given to us, that if EI is a finite sequence of disjoint Lebesgue measurable sets, it is disjoint Lebesgue measurable sets, then for any set A, we know that the measure of A intersection with this finite number of disjoint sets, let's take the union of this. So this is I going from 1 to n. I have taken the union of this intersected with A, and its measure will be greater than equal to the summation I going from 1 to n, the measure of A intersection EI's. This is the property I have used. The left hand side is always greater than equal to this right hand side, right? Now since the finite union of EI's, I going from 1 to n, is a subset of infinite union of EI's, yes, can I write like this? Alright. So let's take the intersection both the sides with A. So A intersection this left hand side, taking in the bracket this union, and A intersected with this infinite union. So this implies if I take the measure on both the sides, so the measure of A intersection, the finite union, this will be then less than equal to, this is a property we have used. If the set A is a subset of the set B, then measure of that set is less than equal to the measure of the another one, to which it is the subset of. Right? Okay. Now the property we have used in the first step, this property, this left hand side is greater than or equal to the right hand side. So in this step I am writing in place of this to be the summation I going from 1 to n, the measure of A intersection EI's. Then this is less than equal to the measure of A intersection this infinite union. Now since the right hand side of this inequality is independent of n, it is not depending upon n. So we can also use this summation for I going from 1 to infinity. So now replacing this n with infinity. The summation I going from 1 to infinity on the measure of A intersection EI is less than equal to the measure of A intersection union of EI, the infinite union of EI. So which of the option is correct? So from here we say that this option A is correct. This summation is less than equal to this. So option A is correct. Alright, thank you.